All right, people, Nick Roberts here, and today we're talking USP, unique selling proposition. If you've been struggling to write your USP, I have a very easy to follow 5-part formula that's going to help you nail it. So stick around for this video. I'm going to take you through step by step. Okay. Now, before we dive in, I just want to do a quick refresher. What is a USP? It's basically what makes your product unique. So why should someone buy your product over someone else's product that's very similar, that almost does the same thing? Why are you unique? All right. And it's really the one thing that sets you apart from your competition. So to help us find our USP, we're going to start off by asking 5 questions. Okay. And these are: number 1, who are you selling to? Who's your audience? Who's your avatar? Okay. Number 2, where will they see your offer? Are they seeing Facebook ads, Google ads, maybe content on your YouTube channel or your blog? Okay, where are they seeing it? Number 3, what does your product do? Number 4, how does your product deliver that result? Okay. And then number 5, why should someone buy your product over a similar one? All right, 5 questions. They're going to make a lot more sense when we bring in a concrete example. Okay, so for the example that I'm doing, I want to bring in a product called the Custom Keto Diet. It's a product that I've been researching a little bit. It's a ClickBank product that's doing very well. And what it is it's basically an 8-week meal plan which helps you lose weight by cutting all carbohydrates out of your diet, and it puts you into sort of fat burning mode. Okay, so it's a weight loss product, 8-week meal plan. All right. Now let's look at our questions again, but with this example in mind, and it's going to be a lot easier to explain. So number 1, who are you selling to? Who's your audience? Okay, so we're going to think about demographics, age, male, female, that sort of thing. We're going to think about their pains and problems. So what are they struggling with? What are their goals and desires? What are their aspirations? What they want to achieve? And finally, what are the obstacles and challenges? What are the roadblocks stopping them from achieving those goals? All right. So let's answer this in the context of the Custom Keto Diet. So who are you selling to? All right. We're going to sell to women aged 40 to 60 years old. So what's the problem that they're having? Well, they're overweight. All right. They're overweight. But we can go a bit deeper than this because that's just a physical problem. What's the emotional impact of them being overweight? Well, it's giving them all kinds of feelings of, they're ashamed, they're self-conscious, they're embarrassed, or this sort of thing. Okay. So what are their goals or desires? Well, we just basically flip the problem. Well, if they're overweight, their goal is to lose weight, all right, and get slim and get trim and, all that sort of stuff. Again, we can go a layer deeper. All right, we can go beyond the physical and get into the emotional of, well, feeling slim. It's going to help them feel confident. It's going to help them feel attractive. That's their aspiration. That's what they desire. All right, and then to feel good in their skin. And then the last one, obstacle and challenge. Well, just off the top of my head, I thought, well, maybe they've got no time for exercise and they've got no time to make complicated meals in the evening. They're working a job and they're really strapped for time. Okay, so that's the obstacle and challenge that's stopping them and blocking them from achieving this goal. So number 2, where will they see your offer? All right, and I talked about this before. Maybe you're running Facebook ads or Google ads to a sort of cold audience. Maybe you've got a YouTube channel or a blog, or you have a little think about where are they seeing your offer. This is not too important for the USP, but it is a really good thing to think about, is who you're talking to. So number 3, what does your product do? Okay, so in a nutshell, it helps you lose weight. Okay, now we're going to bring in the next question, and it's going to get a lot more tangible. Okay, so it helps you lose weight. Loads of products do that. So how does your product deliver that result? How does it help people lose weight? Well, it delivers it concretely, tangible. It's an 8-week meal plan. Okay, it cuts carbs out of your diet so that you enter a state of ketosis, which is entering fat burning mode. Okay, that's what it is. That's the concrete, the physical, the tangible. All right, and then finally, why should someone buy your product over a similar one that does, a similar thing? Okay, what makes you unique? And here you can acknowledge, well, yeah, sure, there are many other keto diets out there, okay, that do a very similar thing and they put you in ketosis. However, a lot of them use hard to find ingredients where you might need to go to shop that you don't usually go to. You can't pick stuff up in your, your local supermarket. Also, a lot of the recipes of these other diets, they're complicated, they're time consuming. And basically what makes us unique is we're just simpler, we're faster, we're cheaper, we're better. All right. So that is our 5 questions answered. Now we're going to bring in this USP formula. Before I bring this in, I want to give a big shout out to Alex Catoni, who I learned this from. I recently joined her course, the Copy Posse. This is all taken from there. Okay, so hats off to Alex, and I just didn't want to take credit for her work, and I wanted to recognize. All right, so this is the formula. Product helps audience with problem achieve goal through unique solution. Okay, one more time. Product helps audience with problem achieve goal through unique solution. All right, so let's look at this in the context of the custom keto diet. So CKD, custom keto diet, helps middle-aged women who have little time to exercise and who are struggling to lose weight get slim and feel confident and more attractive by offering an easy to follow 8-week meal plan that uses simple household ingredients. Okay, that's our USP. All right. It's quite long, it's a bit of a mouthful, but it sums up beautifully, what we do and why we're unique, okay? Again, we've got our product, custom keto diet. We've got our audience, middle-aged women, who have little time to exercise and are struggling to lose weight. That's the problem. What's the goal that they're trying to achieve? Well, they want to, lose weight, feel confident. And then we're bringing in, and how are we helping them with a unique solution? Easy to follow 8-week meal plan. Household ingredients. There you go. There you have it. I hope this helps you write your USP. Just a quick recap on that. Product helps audience with problem achieve goal through unique solution. And big shout out to Alex Catoni for this material. Okay, that's it. I'm going to leave it at that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give us a like. Also, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And thanks so much for watching. All right. Wish you all the best. Take care. Go out and kill it with whatever you're working on. And I'll catch you real soon in another video.